Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I don't have anything to make or anything to show you. Today, I simply have a vlog. I wanted to show you guys my morning routine. It was supposed to be a morning routine, but it was actually ruined by my husband because he made everything and he did everything by the time I woke up. Yeah, he's back in town. He was gone for almost 2.5 weeks and I missed him tremendously. He was helping out his mother for a little bit and yeah, now he's back. And I woke up and nothing for me to do. Yeah, that's what I complain about, that everything was done around the house. But nevertheless, I am giving you a little bit of a home tour and show you a little bit of my husband and the little bit that my daughter let me tape of her. Yeah, and just what we're about a little bit. And at the very end, make sure to stick around because I have projects from you guys that I've been wanting to show off for a while. And I'm calling them my Tayra Perez project. So, all right, let's get started with the video. Here we go. Good morning. Time to make breakfast. Let's do this. I'm not making the bed right now. Morning, guys. Morning.
Morning.
So everything's just lunch now? Only lunch?
Yes, you only.
Huh?
Oh, sure.
Still want peanut butter jelly percent lunch, please?
No, our lunch ready.
You got your lunch ready?
What you got?
Pepperoni.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
She don't even need me anymore. You making coffee already?
I'm making it now, man.
So I don't need to do anything. What did I get up for then? Look at that. Do your husband clean? Mine does. Thanks, honey.
My morning bread.
Morning breath? Mine or yours?
Mine.
Oh, it's all right. I'm sure mine is hotter. Coffee is brewing. No need for me to get up and do anything this morning. That's so nice. Let's see what the daughter's doing. Let's see if she lets me tape her. She never likes to be on camera. Hey, mamacita. You want to say hi? You want to say hi? Turn around. Huh? To everyone. Just wave. And off she goes. Bye. Yep. She let me tape her a little bit, right? He's trying to do some handiwork today and he's asking Google for things. All right, so let me give you a little bit of a home tour. All right, so come on down, honey. Look at his legs. That's what happens when you play too much golf. Two singing tones. Anyway, let me give you a little bit of a home tour. Our house is not, you know, too big or too little. We have a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, no, 2.5 bath. And here is our dining room that you guys have seen before. The mirror is not up like it should be because I never put it back. And here we have a little bench where we usually put our shoes on if we have to put some shoes on. And some packages I need to put up. Here I am. Look at the mirror, so dirty. Over here is my husband's man cave. You have 2 lazy boys, one for him and one for me, but I never really sit in it. It's a mess right now because our mother-in-law, oh, my mother-in-law was here for a little bit and she was staying here because she couldn't go up the stairs. But slowly but surely it's going back to normal. Here is our family room. You guys are familiar with this room. This is where I do most of my intros. So that's what's over here. There's my tripod and my ring light. Over here is, this was supposed to be like a breakfast area, but I decided that I wanted an island. I wanted a big island because that little island wasn't doing it for me. So we got this one custom made and I have ruined it with all of my projects. It's scratched all over, everywhere. It's dirty actually. I have to clean it. Yeah, so that's that. And over here is our kitchen. We painted the cabinets white. I didn't like that sherry color that most places kind of like built in. We'll probably stay here another 3 years and then we'll probably be getting another place. And over here is our half bath. Leftover cupcakes from the other day. A dress form just laying there randomly. I'm using it this week. And these are my plants that I'm so proud of because I have them since 2007. Over here is my vision board. Look at that. 1 million in stocks. And that house, that kitchen. I have a thing for islands. I want that island, that's why I have that picture. And I love white. And of course, my Creators Awards. The car, not necessarily that one, but that's all right. I like that one at the moment. And here I have more plants. And I really hate that it's not focusing today. I don't know how to work my camera. You ready for breakfast? Mm-hmm. All right, time for some coffee. Did you just burp?
Yeah, lucky you came out of my mouth on my ass.
I take my coffee with almond milk. I'm sorry about the quality of this video. It's so dark in here. That's what the problem is in this house. It's too dark. That's one thing I don't like. I love everything else though. Look at the handyman. Isn't that nice? Don't you love it when your husband are handy? So nowadays, I take my almond milk with a little bit of coffee. I don't want to stain my teeth. Let's go up the stairs. I'm not gonna go into all the bedrooms and stuff like that because I don't know what's behind it. And there is my dressing room. I have a little bench there. This is the laundry room, my daughter's room, her bathroom, guest room, and our bedroom that you guys have seen. Oop. And that is that.
What are you doing?
I'm taping, but it's so dark, I can't even really use a lot of it. Look how neat he is. Look at that. Well, today. Well, most of the time. All right. Let's go back downstairs. And now, to show you the reason we purchased this house, we are going to go outside. This was the cellar, our backyard. You hear the birds? So nice. 2 levels. Look at that. 1 and 2. I'll show you downstairs. And here is the other level to our backyard. And we have a very nice fire pit back here. Some furniture that used to go under that gazebo, but yeah, we gotta take that down. And we have to grow the grass again. And my plants are dead. I'm not very good at keeping things alive. Plants. You have to be an indoor plant in order for me to keep you alive. And then back here, oh snap, what is that? What is that? Oh my gosh, I heard something back there. Could be a snake or a rabbit or a deer. So back here, there's this hidden area where I placed a table and a couple of chairs. Nice, right? But I don't come back here. It's kind of scary. Oh snap, I keep hearing things. I gotta go. I gotta go. All right, back in the house. And right on this side, we have the basement where I have all of my junk all the way down there. I'm not gonna show you that because I have a video on it. If you wanna check it out, I will link it below. And now I'm going to wrap this up because today is intro day. Let me see if I can turn the camera on me without looking crazy. All right guys, so this is the end of the vlog portion of my video because today I have to take my intros and outros, which I usually do on Sundays or Mondays. And then throughout the week, I tape my videos in my pajamas, and that's where you only see my hands. So yeah, I take a day to do 3 intros for the week, or sometimes 2. I've been so busy lately, so I've been doing 2 videos. I'm really gonna try to up it again. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna let you go and let's cut to the next. Wow.